In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the view from grid to list in Google Drive. This simple adjustment can drastically improve how you navigate, organize, and manage your files, especially if you work with Drive frequently for personal projects, schoolwork, or your daily job. Knowing how to switch between these two layouts helps you create a workspace that feels more comfortable and efficient for your needs. Let's start by opening Google Drive. If you aren't signed in yet, go ahead and enter your email and password. Once you're on the Drive homepage, you'll see all your files and folders laid out in the default grid view. In this layout, everything appears as larger squares or thumbnails. This visual format is nice when you're browsing images, videos, or design files because you can immediately recognize what each item is without opening it. However, many people prefer the list view because it's cleaner and easier to scan. So now look toward the top right corner of your screen. Just under the search bar, you'll find two small icons. The first one looks like a square made up of several smaller squares. That represents the grid layout. Right next to it is an icon that looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. That's the list layout button, and it's what we need. Click on the list view icon, and Google Drive will instantly rearrange everything. Instead of big thumbnails, each file is now displayed in a neat row. You'll see more detailed information at a glance, such as the file name, the person who owns it, when it was last modified, and depending on the file type, even the size. This layout is extremely helpful if you deal with long file names, large numbers of documents, or projects where you need to sort items by date or type quickly. If you ever decide you want the old look back, it's just as easy to switch. Simply click the grid icon again and your files will return to their original layout. This is great if you're working with pictures or anything visual where thumbnails make browsing faster. One thing to keep in mind is that both layouts serve different purposes. The list view helps you stay organized and focused when working through detailed tasks, while the grid view gives you a more visual experience that's better for creative work. Switching between them based on what you're doing can help you stay efficient throughout the day. And that's all there is to it. With just one click, you can customize how Google Drive displays everything, making your workspace feel more intuitive and aligned with your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.